Welcome to my channel Gosia at Home Cooking. Today I'd like to show you how I make this huge 15 inches chocolate chip cake, and I hope you enjoy. 2 sticks of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar. Mix everything. Eggs and mix. Flour. Vanilla. Orange extract, salt, and baking soda. And the last part, chocolate chips. The dough is ready. Now I'll put on a baking pan. I have very large baking pan. I use this for pizza, and I can use it for my cake. I cut the parchment paper and I will put the dough. Now I will press and shape. Now I can decorate a little bit with pretty large chocolate chip. I will bake 375 degrees until it's golden brown. The cake is in the oven for 15 minutes, and I will try. The toothpick is nice and dry. That means the cake is ready. Chocolate chip cake is ready. The cake is done. I put some icing, vanilla icing and chocolate icing. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, give me a thumb up and make sure to subscribe to my channel to be the first to see the new recipe. Please like and share this recipe with your friends and family. Dziękuję bardzo. Smacznego.